Halo guys, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, here I am. I want to show you my presentation about a personal reflection on my passion and my lifestyle. So next, hello. Before we start, I want to introduce myself. My name is Nazwa Aulia, the student of Islamic University in Jakarta. And I'm super excited to share something really close to my heart and my passion for my makeup, how it's become such a big part of my lifestyle. Actually, makeup is for me more than just brushes and colors. It's my form of my self expression, my confidence booster, and honestly, my happy place. Discovering my passion when it all starts. My passion for makeup didn't just appear overnight. It started with curiosity, borrowing my mom lipstick, watching YouTube tutorials, and experimenting with different looks. Over time, that curiosity grew into something deeper, like a true love for the art of makeup. First, I learned this makeup actually from this text of my experience. I learned from curiosity. When I saw my mother use the makeup, I always say, "May I borrow it? May I ask your lipstick?" Like that. And so I'm very happy to use it. And then watching YouTube tutorial, my first crush YouTuber in the old me, in the younger me is Nanda Arshinta. So next we go to why must make up. This is the picture of my journey through I explored the makeup journey. Like this is I actually go to Warda event at Paragon Company, and then it's not just being girly, but I have to explore and learn things about makeup. At the event, I don't just stay for exploring some makeup, but I learn to have some new friends, and then how to have some relation, some what it called. Yeah, I have a new friend, and then I have the wide knowledge about makeup. So, and then how makeup shapes my lifestyle. My passion for makeup has naturally become part of my lifestyle. For daily skincare routine to helping friends with their makeup, for special events, it's something I live and breathe. Yeah, like I told you guys, um, I always try to have an experience in the makeup, because makeup I feel like I'm happy, and then I have my euphoria. Some of my friends always ask me to do her makeup for attending a wedding, for attending some birthday party like that. And then challenge and growth. It's not always easy. There's a lot of trial and error. Before I have an expert in makeup, I do have any trial and error in this makeup journey. I faced doubt, criticism, and even burnout. But throughout those challenges, I've learned patience, resilience, and importance of staying true to what I love. And then sharing my passion. One of the most fulfilling parts of this journey is sharing my passion with others. Whether it's posting tutorial, like I have done my tutorial makeup at my Instagram, and then yeah, it's worked to me for continuing my journey in makeup or doing someone's makeup for their special day, especially that previous I have said that I ever help my friends to do her makeup for attending the wedding and the birthday party. It gives me a joy, make others feel beautiful and confident. Then yeah, remember you are beautiful. Thank you so much for listening to my story. I believe that when you live with passion, your lifestyle naturally reflects it. Makeup is not just something I do, it's a part of who am I. Okay, thank you. See you next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.